Okay, I wanted to do a little sound review on the Pearl Firecracker steel shell 10x5 and 12x5. 10x5 and 12x5. And the 10x5 has both stock heads, single ply Pearl Protone, and the stock Pearl resonant head. And the 12x5 has an Evans G1 on top and the stock resonant on head, and they're really pretty similar. I mean, they're really almost the same. So I'm just going to play a little bit and let you hear how it sounds with the snares off. Then I'll play with the snares on and kind of just work it into some normal beats. So let's start. 10x5. Okay, so they're tuned really high, and I may extend the video a little bit and lower the tuning. Maybe you can pick it up on the onboard camera mic, but we'll see. But here's what the snare is on. Kind of suck, but you get the idea. Okay, let's try to tune them down a step or two. We'll loosen them up quite a bit. Let's go. Oh wait, that's tightening. Okay, let's loosen it half a turn all the way around. Keep the bottom same tightness for sake of length of this video. Let's take it down another step. Let's do quarter turn down. So this is pretty much 3/4 of a turn from almost as tight as you can get it. Let's do the same with the 12. We'll just go quarter or half. We'll go a half turn, half turn, half turn, half turn, loosening all the way around. Half turn down, half turn down. Start with quarter turn, quarter turn, quarter turn down. Okay, that should bring it down quite a bit. And I don't know if you can notice the difference, but also I'm not using any dampening on either one of these drums. They got full ring to them, so. Both snares off. Snares on. A lot more lively snare action when they're loosened up. Alright, that's the Pearl 10 by 5 and 12 by 5 steel shell snare drums. I love them.